The overview of the Coco, the movie video, despite his family and generation-old band music, young Miguel dreams of becoming an accomplished musician. Like his idol Ernesto de la Cruz, desperate to prove his talent, Miguel finds himself standing in colorful land of the dead. Si Coco daw yung bida sa moving ito, which is ang Coco Mama. Hindi sa Coco Mama. Joke lang po. In Coco, Miguel travels to the land of dead after stealing his Kiss idol Ernesto de la Cruz guitar, where he discovers is the true great-great-grandfather is Hector, not Ernesto. Ernesto had murdered Hector to steal his song and gain fame. Miguel works with the living place in the land of dead by getting Coco to remember me, which also fames him to the return of the land of living. This is the sound of the remember me.
Say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even...
Parang sinasabi doon sa kanta na tinugtog ni Ernesto sa grandfather niya is remember me, don't me cry every day. Parang ayun yung nagsisilbing wag kang umiyak dahil nandito pa naman ako sa iyong puso. Sana maganda yung pagkaintindi.
And if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a...
At ang bida doon ay sila si Mama Coco, Miguel, Ernesto, and iba pa. Yun lang po.